Hello, my name is Julio Agustin Carrión. They know me as Pastor Peter. And I was going at the mornings and the morning service, which was in English-speaking language, but I missed the Spanish interaction with the Word of God. So I started to, in the afternoon, deciding to have our devotionals with my wife and my mother-in-law and my kids. We started to just read the Word of God and having a little bit of devotion along the way. And then my mother-in-law asked if someone else can join. So another family came over, and then so on. The next Sunday, again, this family said, "Can I invite someone else?" After a few weeks, we found that we have over 25 people in my house. And I always said, one more space so Jesus can sit down with someone else. And I couldn't fit more people in my living room. It was a small space with a kitchen on. So I told my wife, I got a crazy idea. Why don't we can fit more people if we change the living room and we take down this wall, and we fed around 35 people. And so that's a part of my journey that I always remember. Always a place, a seat where Jesus Christ can sit down with someone else.